Okay, today we're going to look at installing PC BSD on Oracle VirtualBox as a VM. I want to try PC BSD, but I didn't get a chance yet, so this is the time for me to try it out. I heard about them quite a lot, and I'm a BSD fan, FreeBSD fan, and PC BSD is something that can be a desktop version of the FreeBSD, actually. You can go to pcbsd.org and you get to download this, and you can also learn a lot about it. And this video might be in different few segments. So the first segment will just the installation part, and the next segments I will try to do a kind of review of the PCBSD 10, which is the newest version that they have right now. Anyway, so let me open up my VirtualBox. Okay. Okay. Okay, there's a new version now, but I'm not going to use it now. I'm going to click on New. If you have Windows or Linux, it's some similar interface that you'll get for the VirtualBox. I'm going to say PCBSD and type. I'm going to choose BSD, and I'm going to choose FreeBSD 64-bit. And memory, I'm going to choose 2 gig. Although I don't need 2 gig. That's okay. Create a virtual disk now. That's all I'm going to do right now. And I'm going to choose a 50 gigabyte disk. Yeah. They recommend having 50 gig just because they install a lot of applications. So it's better to have a 50 gig. I can keep it VDI, should be fine. Dynamic allocated, that should be fine. Click on create. Okay, now I'm just gonna go on settings, kind of look over everything to make sure that I have everything. The system, displays, everything is okay. Storage, yeah. And audio, network. Okay, network. I'm gonna use NAT for me. You can change to bridge mode if you want. If you want your FreeBSD, PCBSD installation to be available from your home network, you probably want to choose bridge adapter, but I'm going to choose NAT. We'll keep it as it is. I'm going to hit OK. Yeah, for now. Let's try to power on the VM. And now it's going to ask me to mount the disk, right? So I'm just going to click on Browse here. And PCBSD is there. Hit open. Start. Okay, so let's try to make it a little bigger. Now we're going to choose graphical installation. Hit enter. It's going to look odd. So my plan is, if I like this version, then probably install on one of my physical machines and try to use it as a desktop and see how it goes. But I'm gonna try it on a VM first. That's always a good idea. Okay, that's a pretty nice logo. Okay, and yeah, that's fine. I don't know what it is for. I want to choose English. Whatever the default wasn't helping me much. Okay, and then next. So I'm gonna choose a desktop because that's what I'm gonna do. And I can customize it. I can leave it default. So by default, it looks like it installs the KDE, which is the desktop environment that you can see it on Linux as well. So they choose that as the default KDE, right? You can customize it. So I'm gonna do some more. uh, miscellaneous. I'm gonna choose sorry, desktop. I'm gonna also add mate. See how it, because I'm a big favor of mate when I was using Linux Mint. So I'm gonna try it out, see how it goes at some point. Just says what else do we have? Unsupported. Okay, so they have the ability to do cinnamon and gnome, but looks like they are unsupported at this point. So I won't add those yet. Development. I'm gonna add development tools because I like to have them around. And I'm gonna choose any hardware. VirtualBox stuff is already chosen, so that's good. Click on save. It's good that they kind of had it detects the what kind of virtual environment you're running. If it's running on a VMware, it probably will detect VMware, and if it's a VirtualBox, it will detect VirtualBox. Click on next. So it's giving me the partition layout. It's really good that it's using ZFS or ZFS if you want to call it, whatever you want to call it. And it's kind of give you a summary here. You can keep default if it's a basic desktop, alright. So and ZFS you can always expand, right? So that's not going to be a problem, right? So that's really good. If I click on the customize, then I can customize this basic for people, advanced, right? You can do all kinds of things here. Next, and I can select, use the entire disk, right? So next, and it's just all that for you. Similar to like Ubuntu or other distributions. Advanced is where you get to have a lot of fun if you wanted to, and do all sorts of things. You know, you can choose your bootloader. You can give a name of the ZFS pool that you like, but I'm not gonna play with that because it's just a basic desktop. I'm gonna cancel out. Click on next. Start the installation now. Yes. Okay. So now it's gonna take a while to install, definitely, because I'm guessing it'll be a lot of files that needs to be installed. So this is about installing the PCBSD 10. So we're gonna have another video where we will, once the installation is complete, we will try to log in and see, you know, how things are. Before I do, I'm gonna check here. You can select this manage network connectivity. Didn't ask me anything about it, but let me see what it does. So it has everything here. Okay. You can modify network information. Looks like here. Okay. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it, I think. So thank you for watching, and if you like the videos, then subscribe, and you know, see you next time.